Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right, okay, I have a haul. So yeah, the reason why I have a haul at the moment is because my beautiful, amazing daughter has bought me a few bits because I had a crafting catastrophe. So yeah, we have a little problem with mould, and it was on my right side as I'm facing you. That and I had to throw a lot of things away, and I was absolutely gutted. I had a big black bag full of things that I had to throw away, and oh my god, it was sad just to see everything going in the bin because I couldn't have kept any of it. I mean, it's sorted now. My son rushed over and sorted it all out for me, and it's done, and hopefully it'll stay done. But I'll be moving anyway, so yeah, I don't know when that'll be, but yeah, I'll be moving to another craft space, a bigger craft space, because it's tiny at the moment. But let's get on with this little haul that I have. I have these premium artists pastel acrylics, and it's an 8-pack. I haven't had them out the box yet, and oh my god, they look amazing. Let me get them out. See, I haven't got them out. Let me get my craft knife. So yeah, my daughter was very kind, and bought me a few things. So we have these will be put into my pot, and I will be using them for my jelly prints. Oh, beautiful pastel yellow. We've got a light pink, we've got a light grey. Ooh, we've got a salmon colour, pastel blue. Oh, that's not a nice colour. I love that colour. We have a lavender, and we have a dark sage. It's like a greeny colour, isn't it? So we have them ones. So I've got the pastels. I've got the fluorescent ones, as you can see. I won't get them out of the packet. The fluorescent, vivid colours, multi-use, quick drying, which is what I need for my jelly plate. So we have them, and we have metallics. I've only got a few metallics, and I have them more in these muted colours, like vintage type colours. So I have some brights now. Oh, that's amazing. Awesome. So I have them. Lovely. And she bought this. This is it's the same, from the same people, and it's A4 watercolour pad, Seaside, and it's 24 line drawings to paint 12 seaside inspired designs, and it's 300 GSM. So they're like sketches. I mean, look at that. I'm gonna have so much fun. I might even use my acrylics I got. Oh, some beautiful images. Seagulls, little chalets, ice cream, you scream for ice cream. Reminds me of something that I don't know. Deck of chairs. We've got a little cove. We have a boat. We have a lighthouse. I haven't looked at this yet. Oh, we have another little light cove. Nice. Oh, beautiful. I mean, even if I don't use them for this side, I can use the other side, and it's textured as well. Lovely. So I thought I might have a go at that, because I don't really do much painting or watercolouring or anything like that. So yeah, that will be interesting to do. I don't know if I'll do it on camera, because it will take a while if I do decide to do the watercolour, the painting. So there's that. and she bought me a magazine. A magazine, because I had to throw loads of magazines away that I hadn't even read. I just put to one side and think, I'll read them later, and just never got around to reading them. So we have, let's very carefully open this, move my fingers out of the way, that back down. So yeah, Hunky Dory. I don't know, it says volume 17. I haven't got it out of the packet yet, so we'll look at it together. Oh, it's exciting. Oh, so we have some stamps. Let's have a look. So we have these gorgeous stamps. Oh, there's fairies, there's a man with an axe, there's a bear, there's a frog, oh, little fine, a little snail, and it says, with lots of love and hugs and happy birthday to you. Oh, we're gonna die. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's like a little fairy house, well, tree, trunk house. And then we have embossing folder. I don't use embossing folders. I've only ever used one once, and I have loads of embossing folders that I've been gifted and, you know, given over the past couple of years, and I should really use them. I just, yeah, they put away and I forget about them. See, that's what my problem is. I put things away thinking, oh, I'll do that later, and I never get around to doing it. Something else always pops up. So I think I should make time to do some embossing at least. We have the magazine, but we also have this. So this is the free gift. Ooh, oh, it looks very nice. Sweet. It looks sweet. I like the colours, the pinks and the greens and the fairies. I just love Hunky Dory. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Little Normie there. Gorgeous. Look at this one. I'm going to make some awesome cards. And then we have this. That's nice, isn't it? Oh, these are just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So these would be like card bases, I'm guessing. But that's not the way I'm going to use them. Lovely. And I will use them. Right, so that's the card. So you get 4 of them. So this must be the papers. That's beautiful. We've got that one. We have that one. Awesome. Oh, these are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I don't even know if you've seen any of this. I'm just looking. I'm not even showing you properly, I don't think. Oh, look. Little bear. There's the man with the axe. Like a lumberjack, isn't he? There he is again, but different colour. And we have a stag. Oh. And then we have some more papers. Oh, right, so there's 2 sets. So we've got the lumberjack and we've got the fairies. Okay, so then we've got, oh, these are double-sided. Well, 2 of them are anyway. What's this? Oh, it's the dies, the die cuts. Oh, I love. Oh, I love. And some more papers. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, just beautiful, aren't they? I love Hunky Dory. I really do. I feel spoilt getting all this in one magazine pack. It's amazing. Let me just put all these papers together. And then we have the card. Right, that's the fairies. So this is the lumberjack set. Ooh, that's the lumberjack set. And this is the fairy set. They're both just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Brilliant free gift. Well, not really paying, are you? Like a free gift. This cost my daughter, how much was it? How much was it? Where's the thing? I don't know there. I've got the box here. Yeah, it cost my daughter £15 for this. So yeah, and I've thanked her so much for getting me it. So yeah, we have the magazine, and I will read this one. I'll put it right next to me on my table, so I read it. Oh yeah, so much inspiration in this. I wonder if there's anybody in here that we know. Let's have a look. I don't think so. I don't think there's anybody in here that we know. Well, that I know anyway. So, yeah. Look at this. So much inspiration. What's this? Paper Craft Essentials. By the Riverbank, 8x8 premium foiled paper pad. Ooh. What's inside? Paper Craft Essentials. Issue 212 on sale. Oh, probably all sold out now. It says the 12th of May. But yeah, there's a lot of inspiration in this magazine. But like I said, I will read this one. I promise. It's not just going to go down the side of anything, but I will read that. I will put that on my table and I will read that later. So there we are. I keep saying there we are. So there we have it. That is my little haul from my daughter, my amazing daughter. She didn't have to buy me anything at all. It was my fault for just stuffing everything down the side and forgetting about it in the first place, wasn't it? But yeah, the mould wasn't my fault. That was like unpredictable. I didn't know that was going to happen at all, but it's happened. Things like that happen and we have no control. I like to control everything. So there we go. That is my awesome haul bought for me by my daughter, who is just fabulous and I love her to bits. So yeah, that is me. That's all. I wanted to come on and show you the things that she'd bought me. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there. I will come back on with my jelly plate and use my paints. I don't know when I'll be on to do the magazine make, but I will. It's very rarely I get magazines anywhere, and I don't really do magazine makes. Yeah, I must remember to do this magazine. Actually, while I'm on with you, I'm writing it down. So if I forget or you don't see any videos from me from the magazine, just pipe up and tell me, oi, magazine make please. So I'm writing it in my book, magazine make, and I'll put in brackets hunky dory so I know what I'm talking about. Hunky dory. Probably haven't spelt that right at all. So there we go, magazine make hunky dory. Yeah, because I will forget. I know I will. I know what I'm like. Got my memory like a sieve. Right, okay, I'm going to leave it there. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're thinking. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.